Hey guys, Austin here at MAXIMUS-3 and the brand new winch saddle setup for the Ford Bronco. Comes with our own proprietary part, quick easy release tabs that bolt straight into the factory toe loops. Comes with an extra toe loop. Simple, easy install. Slides right on in. Fits any standardized winch. And with a heavy duty safety pin, it will provide you with an easy plug, able to be ran whichever way you want it. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to tune in next time for all the brand new products at MAXIMUS-3.